What's up, everybody? Welcome back to V.LaCoste Beauty. I'm so happy to be back. So much has been going on. I've been so busy, but I've been missing you guys here at YouTube. Before we go on, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. That way you will never miss any of my videos as soon as I upload them. And also, it lets the algorithm know that I exist. So help your girl out and subscribe. So we are now in 2021. We're no longer in that crazy year of 2020. It was a crazy, crazy year. A very busy one, a very stressful one. A lot was going on. But I'm back and I will be uploading more videos every week. So today I wanted to talk about the things in my bag. I want to show you what I have in my bag. I know a lot of people enjoy seeing what's in other people's purses and bags, so why not? I really do not know what's in my bag, but I introduced you guys to my backpack a couple of months ago. I received it from Fashionphile and I've been using it like every day. And I carry so much stuff. I'm like the bag lady, you guys. Like, seriously, it's crazy. But let's stop all the talking and let's get started. Let's see what's in my bag. Okay, so here we are. Here is my lovely backpack. And this is the biggest one. It's vintage, but it's the GM, I believe. And first, let's start with my keys. I have my 6-key ring holder. And it holds all of my keys. And next we have my mini pochette, which I carry around most of the time. It's more convenient. And I have my cards, ID, gift cards, and what else? Lip gloss, MAC lip gloss, Sephora lip gloss, and money. Gotta keep a little change. I don't really carry money on me. And then I have my lip plumper, and I have my sample perfume by Louis Vuitton, the cactus fragrance, which I love lately, and a free gift from Bath and Body Works, which is probably expired. Ooh, gum. I'm just gonna go ahead and chew that right now. I've been craving that. And what else do we have here? A bunch of change. Quarters. I have so much change. I need more coin purses. I have one coin purse, but I need more. Because I keep a lot of change. And it's empty, and that's pretty much it for that. And then I have my Antibacterial Wipes. I love these. These are by Kendall and Kylie Jenner. And it's such a cute container. It looks like a can of soda. If you open it, it has the wipes inside. I think I got that from Ross. Then I have my feminine products and my mask, which I barely use anymore. When the pandemic first happened, I used that most of the time, but I have lighter masks. And then I have, this was from a wedding I recently went to over the weekend, and it had mints inside of the bag, my favorite mints. And then a little bit of lotion. I really love that fragrance. That's why it's still there, and they no longer sell it. Then I have a bunch of earphones, perfect for work, and some are wireless and some are not. And what else do we have here? Oh, this clear bag of lip gloss. It has lots of lip gloss, a couple of cologne or perfume samples in it. Then I have my apple cider vinegar tablets, which are perfect for everything. I have my extra gum. This is a little pouch that holds onto my my Bluetooth charger or plugs, USB plugs. I have another light mask that I use sometimes. And this is by Fenty Beauty, Rihanna's line. It's like a shimmer that I use and I love. If you want to have like that shimmery skin, this is the brush that comes with it, and you just brush it onto your skin and it just makes you glisten. Look how pretty this is. I think it's called Diamond if I'm not mistaken, but look how it looks. It's so pretty. Definitely recommend this product here, and I keep that at all times in my bag. Like to glisten. And this is a business card holder. It has my business cards for my company, Fashionphile 6 Hair, as you can see here. And next I have my headache medication. We have, this was a wipe. These were antibacterial wipes, and when it emptied, I decided to put coins in it. Like I told you guys earlier, I have lots of change at all times. And then I have my key holder, monogram print with like keys and band-aids, nothing much. I barely use it. Just sits in my bag. And then I have my charm here, and I never let it hang out of the bag. I keep it inside because it makes a lot of noise, but it's still in good shape. It's cute. Then I have my antibacterial spray in lemon scent by Bath and Body Works. Smells really good. I have my allergy medication here. And what is this? Like a pamphlet from my mobile hotspot. I have my MAC blot powder for those oily days. And what else do we have? Oh, my multicolor wallet with my little cards, no money, and more change. Yep. And I have my regular size pochette in the monogram print. I've had this forever. And I keep a lot of like lip gloss. We'll get back to that. Then I have my little brush. What is that? Some type of fur that I barely use, just sitting in my purse. I have anti-itch spray and hand wipes and receipts. This looks like a McDonald's receipt right here. My kids love nuggets, so they keep me at McDonald's. I have more paperwork that I need to throw away. More hand wipes. Can never go wrong with the hand wipes, especially nowadays. Then I have my Tylenol. Then I have this cute little pouch here. And I keep more earphones, you guys. Yep. And lotion by Bath and Body Works, Snowflakes. More MAC lip gloss. Without a name, I don't remember the name. More paperwork that probably needs to go in the trash. Then I have here nothing. Looks like it's empty. So now we need to go through that side pocket there. See what we have. We have a pen, one of my funny pens. I love collecting those. Eye drops. And antibacterial. Another beautiful pen of mine. More MAC lip gloss. Another pen. And more, looks like business cards. More paperwork that probably needs to be dumped in the trash. Looks like I have Band-Aids, business cards, more Band-Aids, gum, a charger, looks like a block, or I can't think of the name of it. It's like a battery charger for your phone. I have a beautiful mirror here with the Eiffel Tower in Paris. I have my cologne by MAC. Cannot think of the name of it, but it's green. Another pen. More pens. Another Aqua di Gioia perfume. My personal hand sanitizer by Vuitton 6 Hair, my business. And this mask I was given by Starbucks. I don't really need it. A hair balls for my daughter's hair. And chapstick for those dry lips. More lip balm by MAC in a light tinted pink color that I barely use. Another Fenty Beauty lip gloss. More MAC lip gloss per. It looks like Ooh Baby by MAC lip gloss. Another funny pen. And this is perfect for touching the elevators and doors, so you don't have to touch them with your hands. And it looks like that's everything. It looks empty now. Now I can go ahead and clean out my bag. Oh, we have one more section, the outside pocket. Well, we have a coin holder in the mini Lynn, I think it's called mini Lynn print. Then we have sticky notes and cards and notes upon notes and more notes, and a mirror by Sephora. Never go without your mirror. More sticky pad notes. These were contacts that I never wear. Looks like a USB. And my Peach Bellini hand sanitizer by Bath and Body Works. Smells yummy. More notes. Looks like hydrocortisone and some type of other medication cream. Trash. My rings. I forgot they were inside of the bag. I have so much stuff. I really need to give away a lot of this stuff. And then one of my business pens by Vuitton 6 Hair. And what else do we have? Is it empty? Oh, I think there's another ring, but okay, so we're gonna go through the pochette. I have more lip gloss by Sephora, lip plumpers, of which I love. Buxom, another lip plumper. These are little vitamins you take for scars. This is a flower bomb nectar roller ball. Smells awesome. Some more of those tablets for fatigue. You can get those at Whole Foods. Chapstick and cherry. Looks like blot sheets. Ooh, baby lip gloss. It needs to be recycled. It's empty. Buxom plump lip gloss. More tablets for acne. Eyeliner pencil. My little flashlight. Looks like lens wipes. I've been looking for those. Bayer aspirin and eyeliner. Eye drops, redness reliever. It's like a chap tinted lip balm. Then we have eyeliner, business cards, more lens wipes for your eyeglasses. These are allergy pills. And more eyeliner, more lens wipes. I think we've made it to the end, you guys. And that's everything that was in my backpack. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope that it was not too long. Tried to go as fast as possible. However, thank you for watching. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.